Alright guys, check this out. I got a little problem. Look at these wheels. This is nice looking wheels, but you can tell there's a little problem right there. There's gouge curb rash on some of these wheels. You know, these wheels are awesome. Came out on what? Rsx Type S. Look at that. So my problem is, how do you fix this? Show you a really bad one. Right here, there's lots right here, all the way around, the whole 9 yards. So, yeah, question: how do you restore this to make it nice? There's a really deep one right there. I got this cheap. That's why there's a gouge on them. I got this really cheap. I just wanna restore it, make it nice, make it decent. So just want to know, how do you guys fix this problem? Just let me know, comments below, and if I know how to do it, I'm gonna make a video of it, show it to some of you guys that have the same problem as me. To me, I'm thinking of like grind this flat, blend it in with the other soft spot, and then when it's nice and flat, you just gonna sand it off, make it smooth, and then paint it, match the color of the rim. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks.